The broadcast is now starting. All
Morning,
attendees are
fellas.
in listen-only mode.
Good morning, Dennis. First as usual. Thank you, Dennis. Guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, September 21st. We'll call it the day after. Markets are getting hammered again today after Powell's press conference. We've got nothing really. Continuing in initial jobless claims. We have Philly Fed today. Then at 10 o'clock, existing home sales. Morning, Patrick. Guys, good morning. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. I was able to catch 2 trades on the bot. It was a losing long, but a winning short to targets. Bot is up 540. This is back on a regular account. Yesterday I left him in sim for FOMC. Today we're back to regular accounts and trading. Ideally, we get a push back up here on the small time frame 2-minute. Great. Christine Lagarde at 10 a.m. Okay. Expect volatility. All right. Well, we're going to get volatility today, guys. VIX is up. I'm sure that comes as no surprise. Trade accordingly. I did put a trade yesterday in member Skype. I think only one guy took it. ES. Monster trade. I'll show you charts in a bit. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Let me read the disclaimer and let's take a look at charts and get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. 120, 30 buyers here. There's target one. I sold 60. Anybody sell 60? Anybody sell 60? Okay. I mean, if it drops, great. If not, I'll go flat, guys. I'm flat. Nothing trade. Let's see if we get a punch up higher to 70. We could get 72. There ain't many buyers, that I can tell you. Still can't break 60. Guess I should have kept that. Could have used an 80 stop. Watch this. It's too low for me to take, but if we flip there, see if we can get a move down below that 58.50. Tagged it. There it goes. All right. I'll get out of one. Got one. I don't know what that zip was, but all right, I'm flat, fellas. I'm flat. We're off. Small sellers. Buyers. Small sellers, buyers. Going up. Going up. We're going up. Stop would have to be 68. All right, this is the first area we're going to have to get through. 045. I got a 40 target, guys. If you're long, if you took it when I said going up, I have a target at 38 to 40. Next level up would be 27. Okay, not as crazy as I thought it would be. We failed that first area for now. No sellers. We're down to 1,900 net sellers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're on the 9th consecutive net bar, or bar of net buying. Going below 1,900 on the selling. We're below. Just pushing, it's building this volume in here. got a long on the 3-minute, one contract. If it rolls, I'll take the short. I'm short. Freaking lag. I'm getting lag. I'm getting lag. I'm getting lag. God dang it, man. ES back tested that first zone and failed. I wasn't watching ES. We're still in longs, guys, on the 2-minute. We flipped short below 69. Back to 2,800 net sellers. $2,900 net selling is increasing. Small buyers. $96.50. Back at that 04 level. Let me look at this. This is 15 is another area that we could pull back from. Come on, breakdown. There we go. No real breakdown. Still won't break down. It starts and stops. Just chop, guys. Doesn't want to go. Small buyers. Come on, just dust yourself. Bank of England's Bailey is speaking. Build up what could be a big run up here. But there are buyers. And we broke up. I'm flat. I'm flat. Still can't get through this low volume area. I don't know that it can. It's going to get to 29. back down. Come on down a little further. We're going to flip into shorts here. It's trying to sell, fellas. It's trying to sell. 2,600 sellers. There's my short. Same spot. A little bit lower than I was earlier. About one back. Jesus, this thing just will not die. I'm staying short unless it takes me out at 20. Come on back to 78. Fucking chop. Just chop. $96.50. Got target 1 on the original bot. Come on. Target 2 on the original bot. ECB, somebody's fine with reaching the inflation target if it takes to 2025. All right, trend bots are short. Come on down. God almighty with this chop. Give me 1. Flat. We're just not getting any smooth rides here, guys. I'm still short order flow wise. Holding the top of the 2-minute clock. Fucking A, man. Seriously. This is baloney. We're still shorts. Looks like we went short 2. We're rising with 50 buyers. I still prefer the shorts. But we just can't get a damn press anywhere. We're not getting presses long or short. Come on down. Give us a original bot is also now short. Targets 1 and 2 filled. All right, we got a little bit of a trade. $600. 800. Come on, just sell these things off. Break below 960 and this gets dusted. Come on. We're holding that 960, which was resistance on the move up, is now supporting on the way down. Flat. Flat. All right, trend bot's up 985. Original bot up 485. Still shorts. Here's where we're wedged now. That 60, which was resistance, or 65, is now acting as support. It's still a short. Trend bot, the original bot got target 1 and now flat. Here comes the breakdown. Come on, break it down. It's holding that damn 65 again. Come on, break down. Let's go get value area low. Break down right here. 3,000 sellers again. There we go. Come on, keep breaking. Break this 48 quarter and go. It's holding that former 240 support. There it goes. Come on. I took one off. Let me look at this 10-minute. I took 2 off, holding 1. like to get this to 29. That's my target, final target. 29. 3,400 sellers. We're going the wrong way, fellas. Come on, 29. $3,800 sellers. Double bottom. Sellers getting smaller. Small sellers now. That's good enough. That passes that evaluation. 4 days. Let me change accounts. But I think 925 area gives us a bounce. I'll pen 925. $905 is my target. Ultimately, and we bounced 29. That was my original target. All right, catching the proverbial falling knife here. I'm long 25. Try to get one off at 32. No. That's some weekly support here at 18. They're still selling them hard. Come on, bounce. Let's go, dog. Come on, a little more. A little more, big guy. $32 filled. Got to get back over value area low here at 33. And this could be a nice trade. Buyers, some trying. I'm on the close. Anybody take the long at 25? Anybody take the long at 25? All right, I'm flat. Okay, I'm flat. Hey, John, I kind of like that 25 entry, guys. I think that holds. $10 minutes, I've got a target at 900 from here. But I would be, unless I get a 5-minute bar close below that 25, I don't like it. There's buyers here trying to hold. I like it for a move back up at least into this 50. And maybe 56 where I would start shorts. Although this could get a zipper back up to 70 if you're long 25. ES sitting right on 4,400. I mean, this has got to be a spot for a long back to 06. Got to be for a move up to 06. Target one. SPY's getting a bounce off one standard deviation. Ooh, that 25 was a beaut. We're going up. Whee! They bought back 15, 16, 1,700 contracts in the last 6 minutes. They just blew shorts out. 25 was the trade. God dang it. I wimped out, fellas. They got shorts dead nuts now. They got shorts trapped like rats. Flat. Because I'm using arbitrary targets, I'm not using the high watermark. I'm not using a pullback percentage. I'm not using trade protection whatsoever on the trend bot. I'm using no settings. I have to I'm manually taking trades, or I'm managing the trades manually. I am using nothing to prevent pullback or draw. Now in the next version, I understand there will be a trailing stop. Guys, we're down to 1,000 net sellers. They just buried shorts off that 25 level. It took 6 handles of heat. 6. I like the longs at this point. We're down below 1,000. They're going to buy all these back and just completely stiff. 10-minute is stuck at resistance. 10-minute needs to push up through 90, and we're going to get 10. Yeah, man. Target one hit on the ES. So now you trade level to level. Your next target up is that 17. $10-minute is still shorts with a stop at 14. So on if you're on a 10-minute, we could pull back here. That was a pretty big gallop. If this rolls over, I'll sell it. I sold one here. It's not breaking down much, but I am short one. There we go. Come on, drop right back down. 10-minute is shorts, guys. Come on. Come on down to 42. I dare you. Small sellers back in here. I'd like to see 42 as a target. Couple hundred sellers back in. Come on, drop to 42. Come on. There we go. That's what I'm saying. 42. 42. Come on. You dog. Come on. Sell more. Sell them off. $42 is my target. 43 on the downside, and then possibly 97. This could be the mother of all second traps here. They're buying a few back, but I think we're coming to 42. The 10-minute is short, guys, unless we get above maybe 18. 10-minute is death. Come on, die. Die. Take one off with small ticks if I can get it. There's buyers here, but come on, just die, rat bastard. I'm not flinching. Take me out. Let's go. Take me out. $600 buyers here, guys. We're down to 500 sellers. All right, let's see where we can go. Here now. Unless this goes up through 14, this 10-minute is shorts. ES is going to push up to that next level up at 18. I'm going to add 2 guys at 96. All right, I'm short 4. ES wants this next level at 18. What a trade from 4,400 and 12 handles. I know guys that would kill for 12 handles. Tell me you want value area high. Seriously? We've gone green delta, NASDAQ. 3. This is going to push up to 09, long to 09. Couple hundred net buyers now. This one's VWAP. $200. Losing some buyers. $10 minutes still short. Unless it's gets up through 18. Out. Down is up 820. This has to move below 84 to come down. 300 net buyers. It's working up through a big resistance zone, but it's going to get this 7. Right back to entry. And a bounce. NASDAQ held right where it had a hold on the 2-minute. Might make 70. Might. I'll be looking to exit this trade, guys. Got out of 2 of them. If it breaks down here, it's a monster. Come on down to 67. Me like you long time. Come on. Come on. 67. It's got a break here on the 2-minute. Holding final, this last area of support. Come on, big fella. 72 breaks, I get it. Small buyers back in. I'm flat. I'm out. Nope. Come on, 2-minute. 58. God, it came so close to breaking down. Below 58, it's done. Slower than molasses here, guys. And the 1 minute has 5 contracts on. So I'm not letting this get too far out of hand with 5 piece on. I have no trade protection. We have 30 net sellers. It's just nothing. 50. I'm pending 58 order flow. That's where I want to be short. Come on, jeepers, criminy. This 2 minute is just nothing. 10 minute is shorts. I mean, you got to be short based on all the bigger time frames. Come on, break below 58. Oh, kill yourself. Come on, Harry Carey. 40 buyers. Freaking chop. Motherless. No good, dog. I'm not taking longs. Right into resistance. I'm going to try a short. Why did it at 75? Volume is up today, 4% above. There we go. Come on. Come on. Give us $1,000 trade. All right. I'm short 58. Come on. Hit that level. Let's go. Break down to 46. Now has 6 contracts on the 1 minute. I'm flat. I'm not playing with that trade, guys. Not with 6 contracts. We're just in chop. I'm going to add 2 here. Low volume garbage here, fellas. Low volume garbage right now. In the small 2 minute is the 58 broke. We're technically shorts on all time frames. Has some support now at 61. Can we get rid of the Europeans? Freaking please. Need to get a breakdown again below 57. God damn it. Freaking job. 10 minute is staying shorts, guys. There's no longs on the 10 minute, and I have a 900 target. $78 here is resistance. If this pops, we're going back up to 91 on 200 net. 200 net buyers. All right, guys, I'm going to take the hit here. God dang it. Guys, really just very dead price action here. To be expected, I guess, after a huge move. If we can break down below 60 again, that could start this move lower again. Hourly's failed. We have an hourly double top now at 19.20. All right, we have 5 on here on this short now on the trend bot. 5. We've got some support here at 68. Let me see. It's holding 10-minute support. It's going to need to break down below 68. That's 10-minute support. 2 minute is also holding it. Small sellers. Christ. This price price action is abysmal. Shut them down. $68 is support right there. There it goes. $800 trade. Come on. It's holding support. It's pushing now. Come on. Come on. Flat. Guys, with 6 contracts on and no trade protection, I have to take targets. I have to manual, I'm not using targets. I'm not using any trade protection, of which the trend bot has multiples. So I'm managing the trade. I know where support is and resistance. I'm looking at it on other charts. I'm not taking singles off when I have 6. I'm closing them out. We're holding 2-minute support. I can see it. If we break down, great. The bot will get it again. I'll do an instantly submit. But with 6 contracts on, I'm not going to take the risk of, 15 handle move against. Trend bot short 4. Again, I know we're going to have to get down below this 73. And I'm watching it, guys. Again, I would think we break down to 71, 72 again. And that's a place you probably want to take some risk off. If we start a break, there it goes. There's 72. Okay, now we got a $700 trade again on the trend bot. I'm flat. 22.75 on the trend bot. I'll take it. Now this could break down, but I have to trade where I know support was before because I'm not using trade protection. Told you I took a short. I'm short 5. Go ahead and break down, you rat bastard. I dare you. All right, I bought 3 back. We held the bottom of the 2-minute cloud. And now I'm going to hold 2. So let's see if we can get it on the 3-minute. Because if this breaks down here, I can get it on instantly submit on the 1-minute. I'm still holding 2, guys. Top of the hour coming here in Seriously. Guys, if we break down out of the bottom of the 2-minute cloud, it gets buried. That 58 is key. It gets buried. It's putzing around. There's nothing, nothing to do but either close the trade if you're in it or let it go to a complete washout. Of late, I'm disgusted with the 3-minute. Disgusted. I don't know if you guys heard me, but I'll reiterate for the benefit of the video. The original bot is done for the day, up 820. Up 820. I still don't like longs. We do have 2,000 buyers. It looks like it wants to push higher and then roll over at the close of Europe. Price action today has been somewhat slow, even with the heightened volume. The only reason I'm staying in the trade is I have 2 minutes in shorts too. This is just retracement on 2 minutes. Although we have a new hourly chart. Let me see what that looks like. We're still shorts hourlies. We're long 10. We have massive support at 56, 57 on the 10 minute. Massive. If that breaks down, that's your short. If we get once we get rid of Europe, if we break down below that 56, they're going to sell them. $57, I think, starts this onslaught. So goodness. All right, we're starting to push. Got sellers. Come on. It's trying to break. Watch this. At 57. We're back to entry. I'm not closing the trade, guys. This is either going to be, this is a boom or bust for me. Now, as an individual trader, you guys can trade it however you see fit. Close it at even, keep your 2,200. Or lower to boom. It's hit that support too many times for me to think that it's not going to bust. Come on, lower the boom. Lower the boom. Here comes the boom. Got one off. There we go. Come on. You got him now. Push this down to 46. Still holding. Sellers are pressing. Come on. Come on. We have a Bank of Japan announcement tonight, so There it is on a 5-minute. Right back to Squingeely. Gonna pop back up to 69. I'm still not closing the. It added another one. I took the most recent trade off. SPY is breaking down too. SPY is breaking down. Gold is trying to break down. YM's breaking down hard. ES is breaking down hard. Oh, excuse me, fellas. Down to 4 contracts. Got 4 going. So what do I see as targets? 42 is a target. So let's try 40 and 24. There we go. Holding that damn support. 43. Come on. We've got small sellers, guys. They're not big sellers. All right, I'm going to probably yank 2. Unless this dumps. All right, I'll leave it at 40. They're pressing them now. There's 1,200. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Took 2 off. Now there's no possibility of a loss here, guys. The only reason, if I were using trade protection, I'd be flat anyways on the trade. So now I'm trying to milk it because the pullbacks would have taken me out. I got a 10-handle cushion basically in here. If it pops up, it pops up. The 10-minute is doomed below 30. So where the hell could this come? I'm just out of the way now. Whatever happens, happens. $42 is next. It's coming to 42. We still have 1,500 net buyers, guys. $901. So let's call it 903, 904. That's what I have as the final target, 901 on the 10-minute. But I really need this to bust. It's holding, there's a 10-minute swing low right around 47. 45, somewhere in there. At the conclusion of this trade, I'll be done for the day, guys. Everybody make some money today? Is there anybody that did not make money today? It wasn't the easiest of trades, but all right. Done. I'm done. All right, guys. Trendbot's up 3,400. It is off. Here's what we got for the day. 2 different bots. Trendbot pulled a $3,400 day. And the original bot, 820. Okay. Different accounts. Is there anybody that did not make money? Everybody's good, right? SPY's just held 1 standard deviation again. Okay. All right, guys. I will see everybody tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. to wrap up the week. Yeah, listen, if you guys made your daily goal early, like Frank, and you sat on your hands, kudos to you. There's always another day to trade, guys. I will see everybody tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. See you, fellas.